So lighting is one of the most important aspects when it comes to making videos, and this looks way too unprofessional. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn something like this into this under 5 minutes. Hey guys, Akansh here, as Watch Filmmaker, and I've been a filmmaker, video editor and a content creator for over 5 years, and in this video I'll be giving my lighting techniques that I use to make my video look more watchable, or you might call it cinematic. So without wasting any further dues, let's begin. So first things first, let's turn off all the lights that we have here so that we can start from the scratch. So right now it's true that it's pretty dark in here. So first things first, we will turn on our first light, which is our key light. And as you can see that it's pretty much bright right now and my face is probably looking washed out. So I recommend you to get the dimmable lights with which you can bring down the intensity of the light, and maybe somewhere around here looks good. Now talking about key light position, I always like to make sure that I place the light at 45-degree angle so that it could cast shadows on the other side, which kind of look more 3D-ish and it gives more depth. But again here, even though we have dimmed down our lights, it seems pretty harsh even now. Like, we don't need to see all these harsh details on our skin, so we have to make sure that we soften the light, and for that we will add this softbox over here. So now as you can see that we have successfully softened our light and our skin tones are looking way too much better than it was before, but still the background looks too dark, and the shadows over here on the right is too extreme, which I kind of don't like. And to get rid of that, what I will do is I will use something called fill light, and for that I'm just going to use my laptop over here, where I just increase the brightness of my screen and I have this white background, and I'm just going to make sure that I place my laptop around 45-degree on the right side so that you can see that it is filling those shadows over here and it's not looking that harsh. Now let's move on to the next light, which is the rim light. Now for this light I'm using the Aputure MC, and just because these lights gets these amazing magnets, I'll stick it to my window on the right side, and as you can see now it is giving me this look over here on my right, and it is also adding some teal or blue color in the background. Now moving on to the final light that I use is something called hair light. Now over here from the behind, I'll just make sure that I place the light on the top so that it could focus more on my hair details, and it will basically make sure that I stand out from the background. So there you have it. This is how I light my videos, and if you want to learn more about lighting, filmmaking or video editing, you can check out my free 1-hour filmmaking training where I explain everything in detail, and you can also download my cool assets for free, which will be given down to you in the description. So thank you and see you in the next one.